Okay.
This call is
Yeah,
now
please ask.
recorded.
एक सेकंड ना सर।
Yes.
सर इसमें एक वर्ड था फामिलिया, तो उसमें सर दो ही बनते हैं, मतलब वी हाइस्ट दाइनस सॉरी स्वेस्टर में वी हाइस्ट दाइनस वेस्टर और वी फीलस वेस्टर haben sie in der Familie, तो सही है।
Yeah.
और सर क्वेश्चन ये था कि हाँ दाइना फैमिली आएगा कि ईयर फैमिली आएगा।
बट ये अगर सब्जेक्ट दू है तो दाइन आएगा, दाइना। अगर सब्जेक्ट जी है तो ईयर आएगा।
ओके।
ओके।
और सर मुटर और ग्रोसेल्टन उसका सर सिंगल ही बन रहा है कि वी हाइस्ट दाइना मुटर और वी हाइजन ईयर ग्रोसेल्टन दूसरा।
वी हाइस्ट दाइना मोटर और वी हाइस्ट ईयर मोटर।
ओके।
Okay. Yeah, like that. And but you can say, for example, you can say वो won't hear a Western.
ओके। और सर
बस must
और एक
hear a
डाउट है
Western. Yeah.
सर। अभी मान लो मुझे बोलना है कि वियर हार्ट वियर हार्टन इन स्कीनो मीट उनजर फ्रोइंड, तो मीट के बाद उनजर आएगा कि उनजर आएगा।
Okay. Noun क्या है इसके बाद?
वियर हार्टन इन स्कीनो मीट उनजर फ्रोइंडन, तो मीट के बाद उनजर आएगा कि उनजर आएगा।
जरर आएगा और मिड जरर जो है ये पहले लगेगा इन स्क्रीनों से। दाटिव पहले आएगा फिर आकुजाटिव आएगा।
ओके ओके ठीक है।
Okay. Yes. Yes, guys, please share your answers quickly, everyone.
सर मैंने आपको शेयर कर दिया, हाँ पर्सनल मैंने रात को ही कर दिया
रात को कर दिया था, बट आप ग्रुप में करा करो। रीजन क्योंकि और स्टूडेंट को आइडिया हो जाएगा।
ओके।
ओके। सर इसमें आर्टिकल कंपल्सरी नहीं, बट ऐसा कुछ कंपल्सरी नहीं है, इट्स अप टू यू। ओके। एवरीवन प्लीज शेयर योर आंसर। वी हाइस्ट dinosaur, we feel a Sylvester haven't seen in the family. Okay. We are buddy, what is the meaning Bizukhan? Okay. What is the meaning for sentence?
कौन सा?
Bizukhan है what you have written down Bizukhan. Yeah.
हाँ वी लैंग बेजुगन जी ईयर फैमिलिया, मतलब उसमें जी आएगा बेजुगन जी फैमिलिया।
But we alt you have written down.
ओके।
No no no. यहाँ पर we alt क्यों लिखा है आपने?
सर ईयर फैमिली मतलब योर फैमिली ना, हाउ ऑफन डू यू विजिट योर फैमिली, सो वी लैंग।
Oft. Okay. I was thinking alt. ALT. I was thinking. Okay okay. We oft
सही है कि?
Bizukhan. Yes correct.
ओके।
But where are the answers? You have written down only questions.
हाँ जी सर। सर आंसर का मुझे पता नहीं था कैसे, मतलब वो लिखता है क्योंकि
For example, we hide dinosaur. Yes, please tell the answer.
तो माइनस से देना है कि दाइनर से देना आंसर, मतलब कोई पूछे तो मतलब एग्जाम में माइनस से
अच्छा,
देना
मैंने
ना।
मैंने बोला कि आपकी सिस्टर का क्या नेम है, आप क्या बोलोगे हिंदी में?
माइन स्वेस्टर हाइस्ट अमी।
माइनस वेस्टर क्यों बोला है आपने?
माइन क्योंकि स्वेस्टर है ना, तो आर्टिकल दिया है तो माइन आएगा ना।
हाँ तो माइनस वेस्टर।
माइनस वेस्टर हाइस्ट अमी।
ओके। वी फील वेस्टर haben sie in their
हाँ
family.
वी इस हब फियर्स वेस्टर इन देयर फैमिली।
Not but ich habe, I have. No, no, no. You can say, you will say as gift.
ओके
Here is. Okay, as gift Swester. Right?
ओके गॉट इट।
Okay. Any other doubt?
और सर वन का आंसर कैसे देना? वन फाइन जी मीट ईयर अन फैमिली, तो व्हेन डू यू सेलिब्रेट विथ योर फैमिली?
Yes. So, for example, am Wochenende feiere ich mit meiner Family. Like that.
ओके। और सर मान लो कोई प्लेस है, ठीक है, हम लोग जा रहे हैं लाइक डॉइचलैंड जा रहे हैं, मतलब कोई प्लेस में जा रहे हैं, बर्लिन, तो नाक आएगा ना, नाक बर्लिन, नाक डॉइचलैंड।
Right, right, correct.
ओके।
Okay, Lalita, you please share.
Sir, done, sir.
Okay, please share.
Already sent it, sir.
Okay. Guys, just give me a second. Okay, guys. So I will check. Yeah. Okay, Sandhya. Wo won't dinosaur star very good was in the hobbies. Okay. Okay, Sandhya, just unmute. Verb is besuchen. Welcher Konzerte hast du besucht?
Sir,
Right? Besuchen. Just open this page and you have written down the sentence Welcher Konzert hast du besucht? This one.
sir, which one? First one.
Besuchen.
Yes, sir, Bezukan.
Okay, just read first sentence.
Welchi concert has do Bezuk.
Okay, besuchen. What is that? It is verb or noun? Besuchen. Sandhya, like, why do you sit with the crowd?
Yes, sir. Means
Every day there are lots of disturbance. That's why, guys, you are not able to concentrate in the class. Every day the situation is same. Yes, listen. So, besuchen, what is that?
visit, sir.
Visit. It is noun or verb?
Noun, sir.
Anyone tell? Besuchen.
Verb,
वर्ब।
sir.
This
Verb,
is
sir.
verb. This is verb. Okay, and you have used hast and besuchen, two verb in a sentence. So this one is wrong.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
wrong. Ishaba, wrong. Okay, just correct it. Uh, okay, what is the meaning? Welcher concerta has to besuch? Yeah.
Which concert have you visit?
For example, you can ask welcher concerta besuchen Sie or welcher concerta besuchst du? Okay,
Yes, sir.
all the sentences are wrong. Okay, of besuchen. Okay, next is Van Fayanzi Gebusta. Okay, okay, great. Next is Lolita. Meg, you please share the answer quickly.
सर करा नहीं है अभी हमने।
Okay, great, Lalita. Is there any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, great. Next is next point. So, guys, we were doing chapter number,
11.
and we have done all the audio part of chapter number 10.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, great. So, guys, just give me a minute, then I will tell you. Okay. Yeah. Just give me a minute. Okay. So, guys, we are going to learn today interrogative article. Okay. So, guys, we are going to learn chapter number 11. Okay. And first point is we are going to learn interrogative article. What is interrogative article? Welcher, Welches, and Welcher. Okay. What is the meaning? Welcher, Welches, Welcher. Yes, guys, please tell.
Which
Okay.
एक
Yeah.
accusative में है, मतलब welfare.
Welcher is for guys. We are going to learn. Just don't worry. Okay. So nominative, accusative, and dative. Okay. For example, their mantle. Okay. So Welcher, Welchen,
Welcome.
Welcham. Very good. Okay. Their mantle. Next is, for example, Das Clyde. Yes, guys. Welches, Welches, Clyde. Okay. Welches, Clyde, and Welcham. Clyde. What? Okay. Next is
The
next the Yaka. For example, the Yaka. Okay. Welcher, welcher, welcher yaka or welcher
Welcher.
for dative. Okay. Next is the shuha, for example. Welcher, welcher and
Welcher.
welcher. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, guys, now we are going to learn first of all for nominative. Okay. Nominative.
सर एक दाटिव का समझ में नहीं है.
बड़ी अभी समझाया कहाँ है?
ओके.
अभी समझाया किसका है? किसी का भी नहीं. Okay, just I told you the rule only. Okay. Dative welcome, welcome. अच्छा क्या समझ नहीं आया?
यहाँ पे एम लगा तो वो देर का देम होगा इसलिए आया ना.
राइट करेक्ट, 200% करेक्ट. और भी कोई डाउट है?
सर तो यहाँ पे सर दी में तो दी है तो वहाँ पे वेल्शियर नहीं है, यहाँ पे डाटिव में वेल्शियर है तो
नौखाइनवाल. बड़ी दाटिव में दी किस में चेंज होता है?
हाँ डी का देर.
हाँ तो यहाँ वेलचर नहीं लिखा मैंने.
ओके.
ठीक है. अच्छा अकुजाटिव में गाइस. ओके अकुजाटिव मैस्कुलिन. कैन यू प्लीज टेल द आर्टिकल? अकुजाटिव मैस्कुलिन.
Then das die then das die.
Then okay then so welchen.
Right.
Welchen. Is it clear, guys? Everyone? Okay. Next is I will give you the example, guys, for nominative. For example, welcher man ist der Lehrer. Meaning?
Which man is the lecturer?
Teacher.
Okay. और welche Frau ist die Ärztin?
Which woman is the doctor?
Which lady is the doctor?
Okay. Next is welches Kind. Okay, Sandhya, you please tell.
Yes, sir.
Spielt im Garten.
Which child playing in the garden?
Okay. Next is. So guys, now we are going to learn, like we have learned nominative. Now we are going to learn for accusative. Okay. Is there any doubt? Anyone in nominative? Anyone?
No, sir.
Okay. First example. Welchen Mann siehst du? Mehak.
Which man? Which man do? Sir, gist means क्या है?
To see.
Which man to see you?
Do you see? Okay,
Do-
Vivek. Yeah, Vivek. Is it clear? Sandhya, Lalita, now Nagesh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is welche Frau trifft du? Meaning, guys.
Which woman do you
Okay, Vivek. Welches Buch liest du? Meaning,
Which book do you read?
okay. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt? So please let me know.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now, guys, we are going to learn for dative. Okay. For example, welchem Mann gives to Das book. Meaning, guys,
Which
Which man do you book give?
yeah, which man do you give the book? Okay. One more example. Welcher Frau hilfst du? Meaning,
which woman do you help?
guys, give me a second. Okay, guys. Next point is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for
Yes, sir.
example, welchem kind thanks do das Spielzeug. Meaning, guys, meaning is
Which child do you speak?
Which child do you play?
सर ये क्या लिखा है इसने?
Spielzeug. Spielzeug is toys. Okay, Spielzeug. Meaning,
Sorry.
yeah,
Which child do you give toys?
yes, very good. Okay, is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, guys, is it clear, everyone? What is interrogative article?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, guys, we are going to learn demonstrative article. Okay. Demonstrative article. What is demonstrative article in English?
Demonstrating article.
Yes. Yeah. This,
That.
that. Okay. In German, these are, these is, and these are. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I will make one table, guys, for you. First one is nominative. Second one is accusative. Next one is,
Dative.
just give me a second. Next is dative. Okay. So, for example, their mantle. Their mantle. These are, okay. These are mantle, and
These are mantle.
Tism.
very good. Next is these is, for example, Das Clyde.
Das.
Okay, Das Clyde. So, guys, here is these is,
Jesus Clyde.
yeah,
Jesus
yeah,
Clyde.
yeah.
Jesus Clyde.
These.
Thesam Clyde. Okay. Next is, guys, for example, these are for feminine. Or not these are, for example, you will write down here Diyaka. Okay. So these are Yaka for nominative,
These
accusative,
are yak.
and for dative,
These are yak.
these are Yaka. Okay. Next is guys the shuha. Okay, the shuha. So these are
Shuha.
shuha. These are shuha and these.
Desatsu.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So guys, first of all, we are going to learn for nominative. Nominative. Okay. For nominative, dieser Mann ist mein Lehrer. Meaning, guys,
This man is
This man
our,
is
our
like
teacher.
teacher.
is my teacher. Okay. For example, diese Frau ist meine Freundin.
This lady is my friend.
This lady,
This is
my
my
friend.
Okay. Next one is, guys, dieses Kind ist mein Sohn. Meaning, guys,
This child
This
is my son.
son. Okay. So guys, you will you will check the ending also, so you need to use very carefully for nominative. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For plural, guys, for example,
Disa.
diese Bücher sind interessant. Okay.
Is
Diese Bücher sind
interessant.
very good.
interesting.
Next part is, yes, please tell, buddy.
सर यहाँ पे काइंड इज माइन जोन तो माइन आएगा कि माइन आएगा?
माइन जोन आएगा बडी, क्योंकि ये आपका नोमिनेटिव है. ओके.
ओके
जाइन जो वर्ब है ना आपकी, वो
इसमें थोड़ा डाउट
नोमिनेटिव है.
होता है, अकुजाटिव और दाटिव कहाँ लगाना है?
बडी देखो, अकुजाटिव वहां पे लगाना है. ओके. सो गाइस, फॉर वेयर डू यू यूज अकुजाटिव एंड दाटिव? ओके. So first is verb. You will check whether it is accusative verb or it is dative verb. If the verb is dative, for example, guys, hilfan. What is that? This is dative verb. So we have used here
वेलशियर
dative case.
दाटिव.
Zehen trifan lisen. What is that? This is accusative verb. So what will you use? Accusative.
अकुजाटिव.
Okay. So buddy, there are lots of conditions. Okay. You will check whether we are using preposition. If we are using preposition of dative, we will use dative. If we are using preposition of accusative, we will use accusative. Okay. Next point, we will check verbs. If the verb is for accusative, you will use accusative. If the verb is belong to dative, you will use dative. Next point is, buddy, you will check direct object or indirect object. Okay. If it is direct object, you will use accusative. If it is indirect object, you will use dative.
बट सर एक सेंटेंस है, इसमें मीट भी है और ब्राउकन भी है, तो ब्राउकन अकुजाटिव है, मीट दाटिव है.
Brauchen accusative. If you use any object, you will use accusative, but with after mit, you will use dative.
ओके.
Okay. Yeah. In one case, you can use, in one sentence, you can use nominative, accusative, dative. Okay.
ओके.
Yeah. For example, guys, yeah, I've now this, like, I will give you more example, but I will also prove you why we are using here dative, why we are using here accusative. Okay. So then, like, it would be clear. Now, next point, guys, we are going to learn that is accusative case. Okay. Accusative case, for example, first example is sehe diesen Mann. Meaning,
I see this man.
Why we are using accusative here?
Zeha.
Zeha. This is accusative verb. That's why, guys, we are using it. Ich treffe diese Frau.
I meet this woman.
Woman. Okay. Next point is, guys, ich lese dieses Buch. Yes, guys, please read.
I read this book.
Is there any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
So
No.
here we have used accusative again. Here we have used accusative again. Okay. Next point. Next point is, guys, dative. Dative case. Okay. For example, ich gebe diesem Mann das Buch. Meaning, guys,
I give the I give
I
the
give
I give a book to this man.
very good. So, guys, okay, this is direct object. We are using here accusative. This is we are indirect object. We are using dative. Okay. सही है? बताओ.
और सर इसके है ये
नीचे देख लेंगे.
नॉमिनेटिव है ना.
Just guys, give me a second. Yes, please tell. Ask. Buddy, ask.
हाँ सर इसके है इस ये वो नॉमिनेटिव है ना.
Geha.
नहीं इस मतलब सब्जेक्ट.
Ish, guys, we will use ish for nominative subject, so that's why it is nominative. Yes. Okay. Yeah. One more example, guys. Here, ich helfe dieser Frau. Meaning, guys,
I help this
I help this
woman.
lady.
this lady. Okay. Yeah. Next is, for example, I will give one more example. Okay. Ich schenke diesem Kind ein Spielzeug. Yes, guys.
I give
I give toys to this child.
Okay. So, guys, this is Ich schenke diesem Kind ein Spielzeug. Is it clear, guys?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Very, very good. Okay. One more thing, guys, we are going to learn, that is personal pronoun im dative. Okay. We are going to learn. Okay. Personal pronoun in dative. Okay. So, guys, personal pronoun in dative. Okay. Ish. Ish will change into dative.
Mere.
Mere. Next is
To dear.
Dear.
dear. Okay.
Iham.
Im
Im. Okay. ear. Okay, guys.
Eam.
Eam, not eam. Eam. Okay.
Okay, sir. Eam. Uns.
Uns.
Like
Auk.
Oish. Oish. Okay.
Oish.
Yeah.
Inan.
Inan.
Enan. Okay.
Inan.
Is there any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Very good. Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Guys, just give me a second. I will. Wait. Okay. So, guys, we are going first of all. Dative case. Where do we use dative case? First point is indirect object. Where do we use?
Indirect object.
What is indirect object? For example, ish gebe dem Mann ein Buch. What is the meaning, guys, here?
I
I
give
give
the
a book.
Give the book to man.
man
The man a book.
a book.
Okay, very good. So, guys, you will ask a question, like which question? To whom or for whom? To whom give I the book?
Their man. Them man.
One more time I will tell. To whom give I a book? To whom give I that book? Guys, answer.
Ich gebe dem man ein Buch.
Okay. So, guys, if you ask question to whom, okay, so I give that book to that man. So, them man, this is what?
Dem datu.
Them man. So, that is indirect object. Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Okay, one more.
Yes, sir.
Identifies.
But you, what, Lalita? How do you
Sir.
identify?
Yes,
How
sir.
do? Okay, you will ask the question to whom or for whom. For
Yes, sir.
whom is that book?
Okay, sir.
For whom? Okay, for whom is that book? That book is for them man. For example, I will give you one more example. Okay. For example, guys, next is ich kaufe meiner Frau what is the meaning here?
I buy
Yeah.
a dress.
I buy the clothes.
Buy a dress for like for my
My lady.
wife. Okay, Frau is wife. Okay, for whom is that? For whom is that dress?
Yes, sir.
For whom?
Sir,
Yeah.
Für नहीं आएगा. Für is काफ of für meinen Frau के.
नहीं, buddy, please don't translate like that. Okay.
Okay.
Ich kaufe meine Frau ein Kleid. So, guys, what I did, I have purchased it. What I purchased? I'm
Like.
like.
Dress.
So this is that direct object. For
Direct
example,
object.
I purchase a dress. Okay. Then I give that dress to my wife. So what is that? Like first I take the dress, then I give that dress to the wife. Okay. So this is indirect object. Okay. Here you will use dative. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So where do you use the dative? First is indirect object. Okay. Second point is dative verb. What? If there is dative verb, so you will always use. Okay. Next is dative verb. For example, so guys, there are particular verbs. You need to search every verb on dict.cc, then you will get an idea. Okay. For example is antworten. Antworten meaning
Answer.
To answer.
Answer.
to
Answer.
answer. Okay. This is the dative verb. Antwortet mir. Meaning guys.
He answered me.
He answered.
He answered me.
Okay. Second verb is dankan. Dankan meaning guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Ich danke dir. Meaning guys.
I
I thank you.
I thank you.
Okay. Next is folgen. Folgen is dative verb
To
to follow. Okay. For example, der Hund folgt seinem folgt der Frau. Meaning
The dog follow the lady.
okay. For example, one more is gefallen. Gefallen meaning
Like
To like.
to please. Okay. For example, das Buch gefällt mir. Meaning guys.
the book
The
like
book.
me.
Okay, very good. One more example, guys, I will give you. For example, is Gihoran. Gihoran meaning
Yes.
To listen. Listen.
To listen.
to belong. To
Belong.
belong to. Example, das Auto gehört him. Sorry. Meaning, guys,
The auto
So they belong to him.
The to me.
belong.
okay. Next is
Belong
Glauben.
to him.
Glauben meaning, guys,
Believe.
to believe. Example,
To believe.
Believe.
ich glaube dir nicht. Meaning, guys,
I don't believe on you.
I don't
I
believe.
I don't believe.
next is helfen. What?
To help. To
Helfen.
help.
Helfen.
Help.
Helfen is also
To help.
dative verb. So canst du mir
Helpen.
helfen?
Can you help me?
Can you
Can
help
you
me?
help me?
And
Guys, for example, if I search this verb in dict.cc, okay, how will you recognize this is dative or accusative? So, guys, are you able to see yemandam, M or N?
Yes, sir.
M. So, guys, M belongs to dative. M belongs to dative. For
Dative.
example, ये मान done. N belongs to
Accusative.
accusative. Okay, I will write down here. ये मान
सर आपके पास कोई
किस चीज
लिस्ट
की
होगा
वर्डी?
ये डाटिव और अक्यूजेटिव वर्ब और
Yes. Just wait, guys. Okay, I will find and will send you. Okay, just wait.
सर मैंने आपको भेजा है डाटिव प्रीपोजिशन ये सब सही है कि
एक
एक बार
second.
आप चेक कर
Yes,
लीजिए
I
ना
will
WhatsApp
check. But ये I think मैंने like last कुछ chapter में कराई तो थी.
सर तब मैं नहीं था शायद मैंने ज्वाइन अभी किया ना
Okay, no problem. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ठीक है. अभी आप लाइक और भी तो बैच ले रहे हो तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको हो जाएगा सारा. ठीक है.
ठीक है
कुछ भी रहेगा नहीं, इतना श्योरिटी है.
नहीं सर अभी कैसा थोड़ा मिक्स हो रहा है क्योंकि मैं सेकंड चैप्टर में डायरेक्ट आया फिफ्थ पे तो थोड़ा फास्ट किया और फिफ्थ पे डायरेक्ट आया 8 पे तो थोड़ा वो फास्ट किया
बट देखो आज कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है बट इसका बेनिफिट आपको लाइक काफी मिलेगा. ओके. और जैसे ही सब ना आगे मिक्स सब कनेक्ट हो जाएंगे एक दूसरे से. जैसे आपके एक दो बैच खत्म होंगे ना तो फिर सब आपको सारी पिक्चर समझ में आने लगेगी, इसलिए मिक्सअप हो रहा है. ओके.
राइट
बट आपने लाइक काफी अच्छा काम किया है लाइक. ओके. नो डाउट.
ओके
या guys, I will find accusative verb. Okay. Guys, there is no limit. Okay. So I will send you some of the verb. Okay. Okay, everyone. So guys, I have shared with you, this is dative verb. What? Dative, right? There is no limit, guys. Okay, just don't think like there is only these verb. There are lots of verb. Okay, there is no limit. But I have shared with you some of them. Okay. Second one is accusative, right? Second one is accusative. Okay. So next point, guys, like we will continue. Okay, wait. Like guys, I will give you some example of personal pronoun. Okay, in dative. Although I have given to you some like wait. Yes. So guys, I will give you example. Okay, for example, kannst du mir helfen?
Help.
Meaning, guys,
Can you help me?
okay. For example, ich gebe dir das Buch. Meaning, guys,
I gave
I
your
give
I will give you a book.
that book. Okay. Next is, guys, wir danken ihm. Meaning,
We
guys,
thank
we thank you.
We
Okay,
send
we
to
are done.
him.
Yeah.
Thank him.
Okay. For example, guys, ich kaufe ihr eine Blume. Meaning, guys,
I buy a flower
for her.
For her.
Okay. For example, guys, I will give you für uns. Sie erzählt uns eine Geschichte. Meaning, guys,
I tell to a story for a
okay, I like she narrate us a story. Okay, guys, is it clear or not?
Yes.
yes sir.
Okay, guys, I have told you each and every point in detail. Okay, so guys, this is your responsibility. You should first revise all these concepts. Okay, you should write notes. Then you should start this chapter number 11. Okay, now I will give you the example homework, and tomorrow we will continue this concept also. Okay,
Sir,
so
after class send me notes sir.
what
Sir, after class send me notes sir.
notes? Just wait, guys, otherwise I will forget. Okay, just wait, then everyone will ping. Okay, so it's better I will send you right now.
Yes sir.
Okay, so you don't need to wait. If you have time right now, you can continue, like you can revise the things. Okay, you don't need to wait. Like first I will send, then you will write. Guys, do you like this method? First of all, I will tell you all the grammar concept. Okay, with the example, with the explanation. Is it fine for you, everyone?
Yeah, sir. It helps a
Yes,
lot.
sir.
Okay, or before, but like we did not use like we did not do like the notes like that. So okay, like अभी तो आपके लिए क्लियर है ना ज्यादा पहले से अब?
Yes, sir. It works.
Okay, great. Yes, guys, I have shared all the notes from chapter number 1 till chapter number 11. Okay, chapter number 11. So what will you do in chapter number 11, guys? Okay, so try to do maximum. First point, everyone just listen carefully. Okay, so guys, there are some sentences. Okay, first to 10. So you will write down the numbering. For example, this image is belongs to sentence number 2. Clear?
Sir,
Yes.
This
Yes,
image,
sir.
this image is belong to, for example, sentence number 4. This image is belongs to sentence number 7, 6, or like that. Okay, so you will do it by your end. Is it clear, everyone?
yes sir.
We will do
Yes,
it
sir.
in the class tomorrow. We will do it tomorrow in the class. Next point. Okay, guys, you will write down here, when you go outside what do you wear, when you at home what do you wear, when you at workplace or university or shula what do you wear, when you do gym or sport what do you wear. Okay, so for example, ausgehen das Kleid, dress. When you are at home, pullover, pajama. So you wear, right, guys? So can you write down, everyone, as a homework?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Very good, very good. Guys, everyone listen carefully. Okay, so guys, you need to tell, like, from where do you purchase your clothes? Kleidergeschäft, internet, markt, Kaufhaus, or second hand laden. Okay, you will tell, okay, for yourself. from where do you purchase the clothes? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is also your homework, guys. Just don't worry, tomorrow we will discuss every point. Okay, so once you do at home, so like it will be easier to you to understand all the points. Okay, guys. Next point, guys, like you have written down the table already. Okay, Welcher or Deezer. So again you will fill and you will read this article completely. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Next point, guys, you will like you will find out the meaning, like the slide meaning,
Yes, sir.
rock
Yes.
meaning,
Dress.
their rock meaning, guys,
Set.
Frock.
skirt. Okay, like that. So you guys, you will like search all the meaning. Okay. Next point, everyone, you will read this article. Okay. After reading this article, you will write down here verb 3 form. For example, finden.
Gefunden.
Okay,
Mhm.
there are some verb which are verben ohne prefix. Ohne prefix meaning there is no train bar, kaufen, passen. Okay, you will write down, and tomorrow, guys, I will explain you. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you will write down verb 3 form. Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same with them. Okay, you will write down all the verb 3 form. And guys, everyone, please read this article carefully. Okay, one more last point is, guys, just read this page completely only. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. 9A. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
guys,
sir.
yes, guys, das ist alles für heute. Vielen Dank. Tschüss, auf Wiederhören.
Dankeschön,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Bitte schon, guys. Ja, tschüss.